In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Facebook and Instagram and set up your Instagram shop. By the end, you'll have your storefront ready to sync products automatically and move through Instagram's review smoothly. Start in your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left side, look for Sales Channels. Click the plus icon to add a new channel, then choose Facebook and Instagram. Adding this channel brings Meta's tools into Shopify, so you can manage catalog sync, shop settings, and approvals without bouncing between tabs. If you see any warnings as you add the channel, take a moment to review them. It helps to have your store details completed in Shopify. Things like your address, refund policy, and shipping settings, since they're often checked during shop reviews. Next, connect your accounts. Shopify will guide you through signing in to Facebook and granting the permissions it needs. Make sure you have admin access to the Facebook page and the associated business account you're planning to use. Your Instagram must be a business account, not personal, and it needs to be connected to that Facebook page. If you're unsure, open Instagram, go to Settings, and make sure the account type shows business. Then confirm it's linked to the correct Facebook page. During the prompts, select the precise page, Instagram account, and business account you manage. Grant all requested permissions. Restricting them can cause catalog or shop features to fail later. Now head to Meta's Commerce Manager. If you don't have a shop yet, create one and choose your checkout option. For most Shopify stores, checkout on your website is the best fit because it sends customers back to your Shopify checkout. Connect your Shopify product catalog to your Facebook business account so products sync automatically. After you link the catalog, give it a little time for the initial sync. In Shopify, confirm the products you want to sell are marked available to the Facebook and Instagram sales channel. Have clear titles, descriptions, pricing, inventory, images, and comply with policies. This improves approval speed and reduces errors like rejected items. Finally, follow the on-screen steps in Commerce Manager to submit your shop for review by Instagram. Keep an eye on notifications in Commerce Manager and in the Facebook and Instagram channel inside Shopify. Reviews can take a few days. If something is flagged, fix it in Shopify or Commerce Manager and resubmit. Once approved, your catalog will continue syncing automatically, so any updates you make in Shopify stay in sync with your Facebook and Instagram shop.